I was 12 when my house caught fire, and everything I held dear turned to ashes. My family's photo albums, my childhood toys, all gone in a blaze that consumed my world. I remember standing there, watching the flames dance, feeling an emptiness I couldn't name. The aftermath was harder, moving from foster home to foster home, the constant feeling of impermanence. But that's when I realized, fire could take away the material things, but it couldn't touch my dreams. I began to draw, sketching my memories, the good times before the fire. It was a painful process, but each stroke of the pencil was a step towards healing. My art became my sanctuary, a testament that I could create something beautiful from the ashes. A kind-hearted teacher noticed my talent and nurtured it, pushing me when I wanted to give up. I started to believe in my potential, and with that belief came a determination. I applied for scholarships, worked part-time jobs, and spent countless nights studying to secure a place in the prestigious art school. The day I received the acceptance letter, I felt the weight of the world lift off my shoulders. I had turned the tide. In the end, the fire that devastated my world also ignited a spark within me, a drive to rebuild and become more than I was. So, remember, no matter how hard life hits, it's not about what you lose but what you do after. The power to reshape your life is in your hands. Rise from your ashes, like a phoenix, stronger than ever. Embrace your journey, and make your story a masterpiece.